Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to connect Toon Blast to Facebook account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Toon Blast application. Then log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But to register, we have to go and connect Toon Blast to the Facebook account, or if you're in Android, on your Cloud Sync on iPhone, your Apple Cloud Sync. So first of all, go to the top right corner and click on the settings, click on the gear icon. There we have, as you can see, a lot of stuff, but we have save progress in the bottom where you can sign in with Facebook or sign in with your Apple account. So to go and do it with Facebook, just type in sign in, then put in your Facebook credentials and it will be there. You will have it linked. Now if you want to go and switch devices for some reason when you of course change devices, you can go and do the same progress. Just go and type in the same Facebook account again, so that it will of course get all of the data there on the other device. So it's if you're doing it like that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, as always, bye guys.